We gotta eat some cake. Alright, tell us when to go.
Go.
Get your hands down.
I don't like cake. I do.
I love you.
Look at the camera.
I'm not having fun.
I farted.
Ew.
I'm definitely done, dude.
I can't get that.
Oh, you can finish up Kira's cake.
Oh, I'm good.
No, I think you should.
And Kira, you can't stop until you finish all of it.
I'm good. Yeah, I won.
I don't like cake.
Finish it.
Do I have to?
Yeah.
But you already won.
So?
I'm only getting crumbs, it's not
I'm
fair.
uploading this today. Yep.
So where?
Your mom's house? YouTube? Is it like in my nostril?
Oh, but it's all over your chin.
I'm done. Epic fail.
I won. Alright, bye.